The day after my dad died, my mom, who had been missing for over 20 years, showed up with her children from another man, fighting for my dad's estate. They're my kids too. Whatever you have, they should have it too. Dressed in mourning, my eyes swollen from crying, I couldn't help but let out a laugh. Oh, Mom, you don't know, do you? After 20 years of being abandoned by you, I've become quite the vengeful little monster. He's dead. What's the use of crying? Get up and start counting how much money that deadbeat left behind. I was sprawled out in the funeral parlor, crying so hard that I felt weak and lightheaded, nearly passing out. I had no father now, and I was all alone in this world. But my mom, Margaret Gates, who disappeared for more than 20 years, was yanking on my mourning clothes, trying to pull me off the floor. You've got no manners. It's your first time meeting your brother and sister, and you're not even saying hello? Just crying and crying. How pathetic. I kept my head down, swallowing the fury rising in my chest. My dad worked himself to the bone his entire life, and I wasn't going to let him worry about me from his coffin. When I didn't respond, Margaret got even angrier. She grabbed a fistful of my hair and dragged me up off the ground, shoving me in front of a man and a woman.